Hello guys, hope you're doing great. In this video I'm gonna teach you how to link Bootstrap to HTML. But before that, let's talk about Bootstrap. Like, what is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is a free front-end framework for faster and easier web development. Bootstrap includes HTML and CSS based design templates for typography, forms, buttons, tables, navigations, models, image carousels like those cool image sliders, yeah, and many others, as well as optional JavaScript plugins. But if you're a complete beginner and don't know what HTML and CSS is, after this video I recommend you to learn at least the basics of HTML and CSS from those online learning websites. It will help you to be more comfortable with Bootstraps. And the best thing about Bootstrap is it is responsive by its nature. For that reason, you can build a complete responsive website without doing a lot of CSS stuffs. This responsive feature allows you to use your website on mobile phones, on a tablet, and obviously on a desktop. And now the question is how to link Bootstrap to HTML. It's super easy to link Bootstrap to HTML. First of all, you're gonna have to open a browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome. You can use whatever browser you want. Mozilla Firefox, Opera Mini, UC browser, or Microsoft Edge, blah blah blah. You can use any of them. So after opening the browser, go to the search engine and search for getbootstrap.com. You're gonna get this homepage. This is the official website of Bootstrap. As you can see, this one is the version 4.5. I forgot to tell that Bootstrap 4 is the latest version of Bootstrap. Okay, so now you're gonna have to click on this download button, and then you're gonna get another download button here. Click it and it will start downloading. Yeah, as you can see. After downloading the Bootstrap, you're gonna get a file like this one. If you open the file, you're gonna get a CSS library and a JavaScript library. After that, you're gonna have to open a code editor like this one. I use Visual Studio Code. You can use Atom, Sublime Text, whatever you want. Here we're gonna open the folder, and now we're on that Bootstrap file. Here we're gonna create a new HTML file. I'm gonna name it index.html. Well, now we have a HTML file. Here we're gonna do all of the stuffs, all of the codings. After creating that HTML file, go back to the bootstrap.com on your browser. There you're gonna see you're gonna get a get started button. Click it. There you'll get two ways to link Bootstrap with your HTML. The first method is easy. All you're gonna have to do is copy this CSS and JavaScript CDN links inside your HTML head and body section. And the second method is much more simple than the first one. All you're gonna have to do is copy this starter template and paste it inside your HTML HTML file. If you're a beginner, I recommend you to go for the second one, because this one is much more simple than the first one. So I'm going for the second one, copying the text and paste it inside this code editor. And congratulations, now you're connected or linked with Bootstrap. Now you can use their features, use their libraries. As now we are linked with Bootstrap, let's check if it's really working or not. For that we're gonna use some examples. Let's create a button tag. Name it as button. Save it and preview it on browser. We're gonna see a basic default HTML button with no styles, and then we're gonna create another button with button tag and give it some class, some Bootstrap classes like btn primary, name it as button, save it and preview it on browser. Now we can see the actual difference between the only HTML button and the Bootstrap button. We can even change the style of that button. Copy this text and paste it, and just after BTN, just add some text like outline primary. Yeah, so you can see the actual difference between the basic HTML button and the Bootstrap buttons. So that's how Bootstrap works with HTML and CSS. So now we know now we know how to link Bootstrap to HTML, what Bootstrap is, how it really works. So that was it for today. I'm planning to create a whole series of Bootstrap 4 where I'm gonna talk about almost everything from tables to forms, buttons, grid system, almost everything. So yeah, if you're interested, just comment down below. It's totally free. You're not gonna have to pay a single penny. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Sayonara.